If you want Krita to run smoother and take advantage of your graphics card, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to enable OpenGL hardware acceleration in Krita. This can help improve canvas performance, make zooming and panning feel more responsive, and give you a better painting experience overall. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Krita tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Krita on your computer. Once it's loaded, go to the top menu bar and click Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Configure Krita. This opens the main settings window where you can customize different parts of the program, including how Krita uses your display and graphics hardware. On the left side of the settings window, look for the Display tab and click it. This section controls how Krita renders your canvas and how it interacts with your system's graphics engine. Once you're on the display page, look at the top section labeled Canvas Graphics Acceleration. This is the setting that determines whether Krita uses your graphics card to help display and move the canvas more efficiently. Now check the box for Canvas Graphics Acceleration. After that, find the preferred renderer drop-down menu and change it to OpenGL. OpenGL is the option that tells Krita to use hardware acceleration through your graphics card, which is often the best choice for many systems. Once you've selected OpenGL, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. But don't stop there because this part is important. You need to restart Krita completely for the new graphics engine to initialize properly. Close the program fully, then reopen it so the changes can take effect. If the checkbox is locked or grayed out, that usually means Krita can't access your computer's graphics hardware. In that case, the first thing you should do is update your graphics drivers. Download and install the latest official desktop drivers for your GPU, whether that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Outdated drivers are one of the most common reasons hardware acceleration won't turn on. Another reason this can happen is if Krita detected a GPU driver crash during startup. When that happens, Krita may automatically disable acceleration as a safety measure. If you recently had a graphics driver issue, updating your drivers or doing a clean reinstall can usually clear that internal flag and let hardware acceleration work again. And if OpenGL turns on but your canvas still lags or shows visual artifacts, there's a good chance your operating system may work better with a different renderer. On Windows, try selecting Direct 3D11 via Angle instead of OpenGL for better compatibility. On macOS, choose Metal if it appears in the dropdown, since it's designed to work closely with Apple's modern graphics system. So that's the full process for enabling OpenGL hardware acceleration in Krita, plus what to do if the option is locked or OpenGL isn't the best fit for your system. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.